Hey guys, it's CandyToyBox, and today we're making a TikTok shaped cake. We're going to make our own cake pan with tin foil. So that's kind of what the symbol looks like, right? Let's try it again. Oh, that one didn't turn out. Let's go with that one. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to want to start with the outline of your shape. You could do any shape. You don't have to do the TikTok symbol, but that's what we decided to do. So you're going to make the outline with the tin foil, kind of like a long rope or line. You're just going to do the whole outline print. It may take a little bit of working with your tin foil to get the right shape and that. You want to remember you're going to be filling this with cake batter, so you don't want any spot to be super thin, but you also want to make sure spots are like proportional to the shape you're making. I started to get a little worried here. As you can see, after you're working with it a little bit, it'll start to take shape. Just keep trying at it. That's looking better. Okay, so now we want to make the outline into walls. So basically you just want to make another layer of tin foil on top of it, but like this time mold it into like kind of more straight up walls. Now we're going to carefully cover the whole shape with a sheet of tin foil and tuck it in and up against the walls so it will kind of hold the batter in, so there's no leaks and it doesn't just run out underneath of our tin foil outline. If you do happen to poke a hole, don't worry, you can patch it. Put some foil on top of it or even underneath, just enough so that the cake batter doesn't leak out onto your baking sheet. If you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to like and subscribe. A new channel to 2021, and we have lots of exciting family-friendly content coming up. So you don't miss out on all the new stuff, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so now you're gonna make your cake batter according to the instructions on the back of the box. So add your water, your oil, your egg, and beat it and mix it really well. And then we will get ready to pour it into the pan. I always spray the foil pan with the Pam spray, or at least grease it, just so it doesn't stick, so it comes out easier. Not saying it won't work if you don't. I haven't tried it that way, but I always do. It just comes out a lot cleaner, especially with the shapes. So here we go. Remember, the cake is going to rise, so don't fill it up too much. And here we go, into the oven. I heated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I suppose it maybe cooked about 12 minutes, but I would just keep a close eye on it. It all depends on how thick and how deep and how big your shape is. Once the cake cooled, I just tore the tin foil in pieces, like from underneath it and around it. That way we didn't break our shape. And then frosted it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to leave us a comment, you can do so in the discussion tab on our channel page on the desktop. Peace out, CandyToyBox.